The Cold War even spread to the skies when the Soviets developed a new missile called an ICBM, which could travel much farther than any American missiles could. So this means that they could be farther away from the US and still be able to send a missile into our country. And the Soviets used this and kind of showed off this new missile by launching the first satellite ever to be launched into the atmosphere. And this was called Sputnik, which I'm sure you've heard of. This is a picture of Sputnik up here. This was the first satellite to travel around the world. So this was kind of a loss for the US because the Soviet Union now has this ability that we don't have. So the US goes frantic and begins building up its education system to try and make sure we can keep up with the Soviets. So US scientists began frantically trying to create and launch a satellite of our own. The first attempt was humiliating. They tried launching it and the rocket came toppling back down to the ground, and the press ended up calling it Flopnik and Stay Putnik as a play on words, saying we tried to copy Sputnik but were unsuccessful. And then finally in 1958, the US did successfully launch its first satellite, which is seen here.